Hey, this is Therese, War Mother, One Daughter, and I'm here today to give a little discussion and tell you guys about something that I used to do and show you what I've done. So, I used to do Masculine Mondays, and I stopped doing those because I had a lot of stuff going on. So, I'm thinking about doing them again, and since today is Monday, I want to show you some masculine cards that I've made. I say I'm thinking about it because my hands and my body tell me what to do, and sometimes I can't get out what I want to get out. So today on this Think About Masculine Monday, I want to show you some cards that you can make that are really, really simple, that are masculine. The thing about masculine cards is don't put too much. And really, sparkle is not a good thing usually on a masculine card, but I want to show you how well sparkle goes with black to spruce it up without it being feminine. So this is my set of cards I'm showing you already. I was going to put them to the side, but there it is. I use washi tape. Now, what you see in my hand is the only washi tape I have. I bought this myself. And these two washi tapes were in a grab bag that my sister got for me from Florida. And these were in there because I don't seem to get those grab bags here from Michael. The ones from Michael's, the $4 ones, I don't seem to ever find them. And when they have them, I never have money. So these three are the only washi tapes I have, which is good because I don't use washi tape that much. But if you have these washi tapes, you can see this clearly says 2017. Or you have washi tapes and you want to use them up and make cards. Masculine cards are really good for that. Especially these solid black and silver and white ones. You can see I can still use that. Congratulations. It doesn't say 2017. The only one I really can't use is the 2017 unless I pull out some photos for that. But let's get into showing you guys how you can make masculine cards. So these are birthday cards. Oh, I also use these, which I had in my stash. And I'm pretty sure, excuse me, some of you guys probably have this in your stash because this is the way, way back scrapbooking. I believe, I don't even know. I probably bought some of these from a kit from QVC when the crafting was on there. So this is, I think this is like Sticker King. I'm not real sure where I got this. So this is Sticker King. These are some dazzles. So I don't think I used any from there, but this is what I have. This is what I use from this pack. So you can make masculine cards with these. So that's what a happy birthday is. And, well, the sentiments are from there. All of this is made with washi tape. Okay? And this is the inside, because I believe in doing the inside. You have to do the inside of your cards, ladies. And then there's like a little gift right there. Go write whatever you want to write right there. So that's that one. Here's another one where I just put the washi tape going this way. Well, let me show you this one. You can see I cut arrows on the sides. And I left a little line in between the washi tapes. There's two silver ones. And then there's a glitter one. And this still looks masculine. This card was cut a little off. But that was okay. I just put the washi tape. See, there's a silver one. A glitter one. And then another silver one. So it looked like it was planned that way. You see that? You could do that. Do it, girl. And then on the inside, I just followed the design from the inside and put a little sticker bow right there. Masculine. You could just drop this in a bag with a gift and be on with your life. So here's another one. I did the washi tape on a diagonal. A diagonal. Okay. An angle. And there's a happy birthday silver sticker from that pack. And it goes perfectly with that washi tape. And it's masculine. And there's glitter, but this glitter in this case Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. This glitter in this case makes it it's okay to use. It makes it look masculine. You don't have to put any rhinestones and flowers. That's the key to masculine cards. And you can still make them look nice. The inside is also done. What was that? Oh, something? Wait, hold on. I don't know what that was. Okay. Okay, this is the inside. I followed the design to the inside. There's a gray piece of paper, and there's a cake sticker up there with a cherry on top. Masculine. This doesn't look feminine. I mean, it can be feminine because we could go with that, but this looks like a masculine card. I also believe it's the colors. The colors you use and minimize. And I know that's hard for a lot of people to minimize because you want to put all these flowers and all this glitter and all this stuff and jazz it up. And you can jazz it up, but you can use the colors to jazz it up. Dark colors are usually like masculine colors and minimum supplies. And look, come on, how elegant and beautiful is that? This can easily be a happy anniversary or congratulations card for a male. This could even be a graduation card. It could also just be happy graduation or congratulations on your graduation, something like that. And it could easily, be that. And it's masculine. Here's another one. Like I said, I'm using all that washi tape. And see the colors that is make it masculine. Very minimum, but still elegant and cute. Well, will we use cute for masculine? Elegant and handsome. Let me say that. The sentiment is in the script, and it's cute. Now, see, I had this one going this way from up, and I made a different design and made this one going down, and I used some of those polka dots. And even with polka dots, this looks masculine. This is the inside. Always, always, always do the inside of your cards. You can use the little pieces that you have from the front to do the inside of your card. Always do the inside of the card. I see some people make beautiful outsides, and then the inside is empty. So since I'm giving this to someone, I'll allow them to write whatever message that I'm giving this pack actually to my sister. And she can write whatever she wants on the inside. But if you're doing this card and you're going to use that, stamp something on the inside. Make the inside as beautiful as the outside. And I see a lot of people don't do that. You throwing away your scraps, the ones that you can use to just decorate the inside. It's so simple. Look. It just follow some of the inside. It doesn't have to be much. Use a little bit of your scraps of what you have. So here's another one. It's the stripes the same way as the other one, see? The same way as this one, but it's turned a different way. You can do this and make a whole pack of cards for someone. Masculine. Is this not masculine? Happy birthday. Simple. And it's cute. I mostly use only one layer because who really keeps so many birthday cards? But if it's nice, they'll keep it. So you see I did the same thing. I followed on the inside. This has a little wrinkle in it, but it's okay. And then there's a little flower, and I used a gray mat on the inside to go with the color. So most of my cards have gray mats on the inside. Here's another one. It opens from the side. I wanted all of them to look different. So it says happy birthday again. Nothing else. No rhinestones, no sequins, no flowers. Men don't need that. Okay, to bust out those washi tapes, there's just a gray paper on the inside, and there's nothing because someone's going to write whatever. I don't think I had any more pieces for that, or I didn't know what to put on the inside to make it like that. But boom, it's coherent with the outside of the card. Okay, that's so easy, and this doesn't take long at all. So here is another one. Coming down the side, it opens like a traditional card does. It says happy birthday. There's some of the washi tape from the outside and the same pattern on the inside. Okay? Finish those cards on the outside. Now, this one is like the first one, right? But it opens from the top. Okay? So it says happy birthday. I did the flags on each side again. And there's more washi tape going down. And I had so much fun making these cards. I started off only making one. And then I just made a whole bunch more. So you can do this. It's not hard. The only thing is that we overthink it. And we think, oh, we got to put all this stuff on this card. You really don't. Excuse me. I'm recovering from a cold. You really, really don't. It's so simple and it's so elegant. It's really the colors and stuff that make you think, that make it masculine. But it's, you want to do so much to the card, you think that you have to do that, and that's what kind of clouds your mind. I make a lot of cards for my husband, so I really want to get back into doing this, but I have to say that some days I won't be able to because my hands, my legs, my ankles hurt so bad that I just don't know. But I hope you guys will be here for me. If you like this, I know you like this. So thumbs up, leave a comment just to say hi. And believe me, I will read them. And eventually, I read all of my comments. And eventually, I will get back to you and leave a comment. Because I appreciate you guys. You guys keep me going with the compliments and the thumbs up. And if you can't leave a comment because you're running late or you're in the car, or because I watch a lot of videos when I'm in a cab, or I watch videos on my TV, just leave an emoji. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and bust out that washi tape that you don't really use, because you know you don't really use that washi tape. Come on. And you can really make some cute cards, masculine cards with them. Well, with your masculine washi tape. But you can really make some cute cards. You can even use your regular washi tape to make feminine cards in this way. And if you have this pack from one of those grab bags, or you just bought it at Michael's, you can use this, or any colors like this. You can make it look nice. You can make masculine cards. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I'll be back. I'm actually going to record another video for next Monday to try to keep up with it, and I'm feeling a little good, and show you another masculine card that you can make for your teenager or your brother or somebody like that. But it's also a birthday card. So look out for that. And yeah, this is Teresa, one mother, one daughter, and I'm out.